I tested one ancient Indian fruit for 7 days. Day 1 nothing. Day 3 something changed. Day 7 I was shocked. This tiny fruit is called Amla, and people claim it can improve hair, digestion, even blood sugar. So I decided to test it. But here's the twist. I didn't just eat it randomly. I followed 6 ancient Ayurvedic methods, each targeting a different problem, and one of them is used for diabetes control. First, test blood sugar control. Amla juice plus turmeric. Simple, cheap, powerful. I took this twice a day before meals. Doctors don't usually talk about this combo, but Ayurveda has used it for centuries. But I wasn't expecting this. By day 3, I felt lighter, more energetic. That's because Amla is a rasayana, a natural body rejuvenator. Then I tested it for eyesight. Triphala with honey and ghee, taken early morning. This combo is believed to strengthen vision over time. Sounds strange, but wait till the next one. If your digestion is messed up, watch this. At night, I took Triphala with warm water. And this is where things got interesting. It cleans your system, naturally. Now the one most people care about: hair. Amla, henna, and hibiscus, made into a paste, applied weekly. This is used to slow down graying and strengthen roots. And honestly, this surprised me the most. Acidity, burning sensation. Amla plus shatavari plus a little sweetness, taken on empty stomach. This helps cool the stomach and restore balance. 6 different uses, 1 single fruit. But the real question is, did it actually work? After 7 days, no, I didn't become superhuman. But I did notice better digestion, more energy, and a cleaner feeling overall. And that's when I understood. This isn't a magic pill. It's a long-term habit. These are traditional Ayurvedic methods. So if you have any medical condition, always check with a professional first. If you made it this far, comment AMLA, and I'll share a 7-day routine plan. And save this video, because you won't remember all 6.